Hello friends, in this session today, let's understand how to create Synapse Analytics resource. Go to your Azure account, create resource and search for Synapse Analytics. Okay, here it is, Azure Synapse Analytics. Main purpose of Synapse Analytics, number one, ETL, number two, data warehouse, number three, analytics. I mean, complete end-to-end big data analytics, warehousing, and ETL activities can be done in a single shop, Azure Synapse Analytics. Let's click create. Once you click create, provide the resource group. It can be any resource group of our choice. Let's give some resource group and I'll say SQL School Synapse Workspace Analytics. Let's create the account. It's nothing but the data lake storage account. I'll say ADLS Gen 2. And let's have the container as well. Main purpose of this analytics account and container for storing the metadata of Synapse Analytic resource and also to store something called SQL pools, the warehouse activity. SQL pool, notebooks, scripts, etc. So whatever we perform, whatever operations we perform in Synapse Analytics are practically stored inside the Synapse the data lake, the ADLS, data lake storage. So our agenda here, we are concentrating on how to create the Synapse Analytics. More details on why we require Synapse Analytics. What is the difference between Data Factory and Synapse Analytics? Dedicated pool and Synapse Analytics SQL pool. Kinds of pools. Part of our day-to-day data engineering activities. We run Azure Data Engineering training classes. Daily 2 batches. Early morning, 1 batch 7 to 8 AM India time. And another one 7 to 8 PM India time. They run every day, Monday to Friday. I request you to take part in those extensive data engineering classes to learn more about what, why, where, how, and when to proceed for Synapse Analytics account. In this short video planned for our YouTube subscribers, we are learning how to create. So what we did so far, I simply went to Azure portal and search for Synapse Analytics, hit create. It asked me for the name. So I gave some Synapse Analytics resource name, right? This is the name, SQL School Synapse Analytics. And it also asked me to provide one storage account. I have given some data lake storage account and provide some password for auto created Azure SQL Server. Yes, during Synapse Analytics creation, one SQL Server will be automatically created to host, to store dedicated SQL pool, nothing but data warehouse. So this is a process to create the Synapse Analytics resource. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you are looking for more, yes, let's connect on YouTube. Please stay tuned for our next content, and we would like to request you to like and share my videos for broader audience. Let's help each other. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. See you there in the next video. Thank you.